Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namna back with another Minecraft video for you. Today we're going back to coding in Minecraft, and I've got few things to teach you today, and out of which two are related to Python. And yes, we can do coding via Python also in Minecraft. So let us start. So let me tell that how you can make a billboard. That means if you don't want to write, you can automatically write by using a code using Python. So let us go back to the home and create a new project. So and then create. So I'll go to Python. Now I'll go to blocks. I've opened it, and then we'll go to blocks, and then we'll take print hello of something, whatever you want to write. So it would appear like this. So it is blocks.print. That means that it will print something of blocks, and whatever you want to print, maybe your name. So I'll write my name, of which block would come here. So if I want it to print of glowstone, so I'll write, and you can choose from here, and then these are positions and the direction. So let's see how it appears like. So you can see that it is printing my name. So if you are Python lovers, you can use Python in it, and if you love doing coding with blocks, that's your choice. We are going to learn that how can we work on water by using Python in coding. So let us start. So first of all, let us go back to our home and click upon new project, and I'll give it a name, and I'll click upon create. Then I'll come here and click upon Python. Now I'm gonna remove this, and then here I hope you all know what's defined because I've done that in the Python tutorial. So that means it will define the function. So that means define traveled. So it means it will define the travel of swim water. After that, we'll put a colon over here, and then we'll write blocks.fill as we did yesterday. So blocks.fill, and then we'll write ice, and then we'll take the position as -1, -1, -1, and then we'll write the position that is 2 with a comma here, which will be 1, -1, 1, and then we'll write the function that is fill operation dot, or we can fill operation dot replace. That means it will replace. So fill operation dot replace, and we also have to add a comma here, and here we'll write player dot on underscore traveled. So that you have to write an underscore because it's a kind of function over here, and swim in water, that means it will swim under underscore water, comma traveled, because we took that here, so we're defining it here again, traveled underscore, and then we'll go here, and then we'll define on chat. That means which we do and we write some chat, so it should run. So we'll write that define on underscore chat colon, that it should fill the blocks, that means blocks dot fill, to make a pool with water, comma, positioning would be -4, comma, -1, comma, -4, 2, comma, position, so it would be 4, comma, -1, comma, 4. And again, I think I can copy this. Okay, now we'll write, let's go to the next line first. And then we will write that player dot on underscore chat, that whenever the player writes pool, player dot on underscore chat, pool, comma, on underscore chat. So now let's check that if it works. So we'll type pool, and whenever I'll see, could you see that the ice came? Because I'm working on the water now. So in this way I can work on the water and I don't need to swim. That's really interesting. And even if I destroy it, it'll automatically be created because it doesn't want me to swim. That's really interesting. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.